name's Justin Bellababa. I'm the founder and CEO of Royaltie, and today we are announcing our second major product, which we call Royaltie Life. As you know, it is our mission here at Royaltie to help solopreneurs succeed. We began with our flagship product, which is our online marketing platform. But we also know that solopreneurs face many other challenges. And today, we will tackle that next challenge. So what's next? Let's find out. Here's a hint. The next challenge that we're tackling is actually in the name solopreneur. It's in that word, right? It's in the word solo, which means something that is done by one person alone. And there's a quote that I like from American businessman George Shin, who says, "There's no such thing as a self-made man. You will reach your goals only with the help of others." And for examples of this, you will find them everywhere you look. Famous CEOs like Tim Cook from Apple is surrounded by experts, legal experts, financial experts, sales, marketing, engineering experts. Celebrities have teams of experts, publicists, stylists, agents. Famously, of course, the greatest athletes are surrounded by experts in the form of their coaching staff. And for you basketball fans out there, I'm not gonna say which one of these two gentlemen is the greatest athlete, though I think we all know that it's MJ, but I'll leave that one aside for now. Even fictional movie stars need experts. Vincent Chase in Entourage, he had a driver, he had an agent, he had a manager. And the result of all of these experts in large companies, for the wealthy, for celebrities, is they achieve their goals and they succeed. And if you think about what their unfair advantage is, it is that they all have teams of experts. But again, solopreneur, a solo done by one person alone, but you will only reach your goals with the help of others. So you know this already, though, right? You know that we cannot do this alone. So why not just hire your own experts? I mean, the answer is obvious. It's too expensive and it's too complicated. Until now. Just like we did with Royaltie Marketing, we are once again leveling the playing field, and we are making the best, most successful big company strategies simple and affordable for solopreneurs. And so it is my pleasure to introduce, for the first time, Royaltie Life. Royaltie Life is the first platform to match solopreneurs with a dedicated team of experts to help you achieve your goals and get the most out of life. Here's how it works. You pick your most important goals in business and finance, health and fitness, and mental and spiritual well-being. You are then matched with a team of certified experts based on your exact goals. You and your experts then build a plan to achieve your goals. You follow the plan in daily communication with your experts by video, phone, and live chat. Imagine for a second what you could achieve with a team of experts by your side. If you had a financial planner, you could save and buy a house. With a running coach, you could develop a program to finally run that 5K race. A mindfulness teacher could work with you to help reduce stress and anxiety across your entire life. A business advisor could give you the coaching you need to increase sales for your business. A dietitian could put together a program to help you lose those 20 pounds. And a family coach could help you be a better husband, wife, or parent. Yes, you are a solopreneur, and proudly so, but now you are not alone. You have a team of experts dedicated to your success. That means a better business, better health, and a better life. With the right team supporting you, everything becomes possible. And with life, your best you is out there waiting. Let's make it happen together. And on July 11th, pre-registration for life will begin.